Welcome to your Chief Academic Officer report. This video is intended to help you understand all the sections of your report and how to navigate through it. The preview section contains all of the same information that is included in your PDF preview report, but in an easy-to-navigate web page format. Next up, the Comparison Institutions tab is where you'll find a list of the 5 institutions you selected as peers, as well as the entire cohort of institutions whose data your institution is benchmarked against. As we navigate further through the report, the distinctions between these two groups will become more clear. Note as you work through the report that the breadcrumbs in the header allow you to quickly move through sections and content. In the response rate section, you'll find breakdowns of how different subsets of your faculty responded to the survey versus other groups. You'll also see divisional response rates, as well as the response rates of your peer institutions and the entire cohort. Also note that you'll find additional training videos throughout the report to help you understand and interpret your results in more detail. The meat of the report is in the Analyses and Visualization section. Here you'll find analyses for each of the benchmarks, as well as the individual item level analysis for each theme, and some global satisfaction questions. Note that each of the pages in this section are printable by simply hitting Ctrl+P. When prompted, make sure that your layout is in landscape and that you have color and background graphics turned on. You'll also use this feature to create PDFs. The Means and Frequencies section is where you can draw raw data tables for all of your results. Simply click on a theme and it will produce a table for you. In the upper right-hand corner of these pages, you can easily click on the Download Table link to produce a CSV file that you can use for your own analysis in Excel. If your institution opted for custom questions, you'll find them in this tab. And finally, in the Guides and Articles section, you'll find some additional reading materials, as well as notes about our methodology and definitions for language used throughout the report.